How to change Spotify playlist picture. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Your Library. In your library, scroll down and select a playlist of your choice. On this page, tap on the three dots as shown. Now, tap on Edit. Here, you can edit the playlist cover, name, description, as well as removing songs in the playlist. Now tap on Change Playlist Cover. Then, tap on Create Cover Art if you want to create a cover for your playlist on your own. Tap on Next and then start creating. You can use all the options available here to create your cover. Once you're done, tap on the Save option at the top right corner of the page. Tap on Save again to confirm. Your new cover for the playlist has now been set. If you do not want to create cover art on your own, then just tap on Change Cover Image instead of Create Cover Art. Then, you can choose an image that you like from your files and set it as your new playlist cover. Following these steps, you can easily change your Spotify playlist picture.